Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video I'll be talking about Oracle, which is currently hiring for their software developer role, product developer role. This is an on-site full-time job in India, and it has been mentioned that they won't be sponsoring any visa permit, but since it's in India, let's skip that point. Moving on to the skills that they have mentioned in their required section. You should be having a bachelor's or a master's degree in computer science, computer engineering, or any other related field. You should be having good proficiency in programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, and or kind of. You should be having some knowledge in programming fundamentals like API knowledge, debugging skills, knowledge of version control tools like Git, GitHub, Bitbucket, etc. And definitely you should be having some good understanding of data structures, algorithms, object oriented designing, and so on. And any team would want you to have good communication skills, so that you're able to explain your ideas and approach effectively to your team members. So these are all the qualifications that they have listed in their required section. So as a part of their good to have skills, they have mentioned you should be having internship experience before to this, or maybe academic projects or exposure, so that they understand that yes, you have some proof of strong coding abilities. Then they want you to have had participated in hackathons, in competitive programming, and they need you. I mean, if you have your strong skills about cloud concepts, big data concepts, and about modern development tools, then that will be a good to have for them. Some knowledge of relational databases, which you will already be having from college experience, and knowledge of distributed systems and microservices. So these are all the skills that they have mentioned in the good to have section. So moving on to the recruitment process that Oracle generally follows for this role, you'll be starting with an online assessment where they'll be asking you questions on, these will be MCQ questions on verbal, quantitative, aptitude based, some computer science fundamental MCQs like on DSA, object oriented programming, operating systems, networking, database management systems, etc. So this will be your online assessment. Once you get through this round, you get shortlisted, you'll be called for a virtual interview where you'll be asked to solve two tough DSA based questions. You'll have to actually code your solution, and obviously fix all the test cases, edge cases should be covered. That is your second round. Your third round may be another technical interview. This will be a personal interview where they'll be asking you questions on DSA. Puzzle based questions can be asked in this round, and also some your projects or resume based questions will be asked. So make sure you are thorough with the tech stacks that you have used in your projects before you sit for this round. So this will be your third round, your second technical interview. After you get through this round, you will have to sit for the last HR round where they'll be assessing how culturally fit you are for the company, your motivations, your expectations from the company. So these are the rounds that you'll have to sit for to get into the software engineering role at Oracle. Don't be late to apply. I have attached the application link in the description of this video. So go ahead and apply. And if you're liking my content, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on companies which are currently hiring for jobs and internships, especially for college going students are on the lookout for this. So please subscribe to my channel, and hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.